Keep silent. Now we have discussed the upper border. Now we'll discuss the lower border. Lower border, you can see there is a joint formation with the body of the cell. So this joint formation is called manubriosternal joint. As its name indicates, it is between the manubrium and the body of the sternum. So its name is manubriosternal joint. So where it is located here? This is the manubriosternal joint. अपर बॉर्डर में क्या है? जगुलर नॉच है और लोअर बॉर्डर में क्या है? मेनुब्रियोस्टर्नल जॉइंट. अब मेनुब्रियोस्टर्नल जॉइंट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट लैंडमार्क. So when you feel your sternum, you can palpate this portion, the manubriosternal, and you can palpate in your body. So it is important landmark. इसकी importance क्या है हम आगे डिस्कस करेंगे. अब आज जब बात करते हैं हम लेटरल बॉर्डर की. लेटरल बॉर्डर पे एक तो हमारे पास क्लेविकुलर नॉच है. क्लेविकुलर नॉच पे यहाँ पे क्लेविकल अटैच होती है and it is the site where the sternoclavicular joint formation occurred, and this form the axial part of the axial skeleton. So just below the clavicular attachment, we have another notch. We have a notch, one notch here for the clavicle, and this another notch here, which is for the attachment of the first costal cartilage. So as you have seen previously, कि मेनुब्रियम के साथ एक तो अटैचमेंट हो रही है स्टर्नल एंड ऑफ द क्लेविकल की और दूसरी अटैचमेंट हो रही है कोस्टल कार्टिलेज ऑफ द फर्स्ट रे. सो वी हैव ऑन द लेटरल बॉर्डर two coastal faces, one for the sternal end of the clavicle and other the first coastal cartilage. And another thing which is attaching to the lateral border of the sternum is the second rib. So it has a demi-facet. You can see this. The second rib is attached on the half portion of this manubrium, and the half portion is attached to this body of the sternum. So this is the side of the manubriosternal joint, okay, which I have told you is palpable portion in your body and is important landmark. So at this landmark you can see the second coastal cartilage is attached. हम इसको एंगल ऑफ लुई भी बोलते हैं. मेनुब्रियोस्टर्नल जॉइंट की एंगल ऑफ लुई जिसपे हमारी सेकंड कोस्टल कार्टिलेज अटैच हो रही है. अब इसकी फर्दर सिग्निफिकेंस हम ऊपर डिस्कस करेंगे. So we have an upper border, lower border, lateral surfaces, anterior surface, and the posterior surface of the manubrium. So again I repeat, anterior surface, posterior surface. Okay, this is convex and this is concave, and the upper border which is called the jugular notch and the supraclavicular notch, and the lateral border we have attachment of the clavicle as well as the first coastal cartilage, and on the lower side. And on the lower side, this is the demi-facet for the second coastal cartilage. And this is the anterior surface, and this is the posterior view of the manubrium sterni. Okay, manubrium is trapezoid in shape. What is meant by the trapezoid? Anyone?
Shoe shape, sighted speaker.
Okay, I will tell you. Trapezoid is any side parts if it has four borders, 1, 2, 3 borders. So this is roughly trapezoid in shape. Quadrilateral इसको बोलते हैं. So this is trapezoid. Okay, and this is the most thickest and widest part of the sternum. Okay, and it has two surfaces, anterior and posterior. We have already discussed the surfaces, anterior surface, and we have already discussed the superior and inferior border and two lateral border, and points are there attaching on these surfaces. So the anterior surface is convex from side to side and concave from above downward. We have discussed the anterior surface is convex and the posterior surface is concave. And the upper border of the sternum has jugular notch, and it's also named suprasternal notch. Okay, and this is deepened by the medial end of the clavicle. So यहाँ पे जो joint बनता है उसका नाम sternoclavicular joint. Okay, we have discussed the angle of Louis, which is at the site of the manubriosternal. अब एक और point मैं यहाँ पे discuss करूँगी regarding the angle of Louis. Angle of Louis lies at the level of the thoracic 4 and thoracic 5 intervertebral disc. Okay, the angle of Louis, manubriosternal joint, which is palpable in your body at the level of the T4 and T5 intervertebral disc, and it is a secondary cartilaginous joint. Anyone know about the secondary cartilaginous joint? ओके, कैन
जिस
यू
पे कोई
हियर मी?
मूवमेंट ना हो।
इस पे मूवमेंट होती है। Standard cartilaginous joints are made up of fibrocartilage, or these allow a somehow movement. So at your manubrious sternal joint, some movement can take place, and it forms an angle, and it is also called angle of Louis, sternal angle, and it lies at the level of the T4 and T5 intervertebral disc. Any confusion? Any
नो
question,
मैम।
beta? Okay. Even at the sternal angle. So this is the side of sternal angle. Okay, you can see it lies at the level of the thoracic 4 and thoracic 5 intervertebral disc, and second rib is attached. Manubrial sternal joint. It is a type of secondary cartilaginous joint. So some important event take place at the sternal angle of fluid. It is an important landmark as I have already discussed. Second rib lie here. So I will discuss with you only the four major aspects which occur at the sternal angle of fluid. Remaining point you will have an assignment कि आप ये करके लाओगे कि what are the major event which occur at the angle of fluid. So at this point, at the point of the manubriosternal joint, trachea we have it is a part of our airway. So trachea here divided into two principal bronchi. Trachea की division होती है आगे further division आप आगे पढ़ोगे. And the arch of the aorta, which forms the part of the cardiovascular system, and it arises from the left side of the heart. It arrives at this point. Okay. So another very important aspect, आप इसके बारे में आगे पढ़ोगे भी, and it is the site of the division of the superior and inferior mediastinum. Mediastinum आप आगे further discuss पढ़ोगे कि what is superior mediastinum and inferior mediastinum, what are its different content. तो इसका जो plane of
मैम
division है,
मीडियस्टिनम होता क्या है?
mediastinum, I will tell you. So it is your thoracic cavity. It has both on side lung and the heart. So the space behind this sternum and between the lung is called mediastinum. इसके बारे में ज़्यादा परेशान ना हो, आप आगे पढ़ोगे इसके बारे में. So the manubriosternal joint or the angle of Louis define the landmark of superior and inferior mediastinum. It is also site of the bifurcation of the pulmonary trunk. You know the very well the pulmonary trunk which drain into the left atrium. Okay, so these are the major 4 points which occur at the angle of fluid. Further आप लोगों ने इस पर बहुत सी और चेंजेस भी होती हैं, बेटा आपने वो एक असाइनमेंट करके ला. Okay, and I have discussed a second discuss के this is the point at which second coastal cartilage is attached and it is also palpable. So the lower ribs जो है वो यहाँ से काउंट की जाती है. देखो यहाँ पे सेकंड कोस्टल कार्टिलेज है, हम इसको पल्पेट करेंगे और जो बाकी जो लोअर कोस्टल कार्टिलेजेस होंगे यहाँ से उनको इंटरकोस्टल स्पेस को आइडेंटिफाई करते हुए हम लोअर रिब्स को इधर से काउंट करेंगे. ठीक है.
मैम ये बात रिपीट करते समझ नहीं आई.
Okay. And this is the point where, at which the manubriosternal angle, the manubriosternal joint is formed. And here is the attachment of the second costal cartilage. जब आपने रिब्स को काउंट करना होता है तो आप इस एरिया को पल्पेट करते हो और इधर से नीचे जाते हो. तो फर्स्ट जो आपको पल्पेशन पे फील होती है वो सेकंड रिब है. जब आपने इससे नीचे जाना है तो आप रिब्स को पल्पेट करते जाओगे. आपकी जो रिब्स हैं ये सारी जब आप पल्पेशन करते हो इस एरिया में तो यू कैन फील दीज रिब्स. तो आप पहले सेकंड रिब को पल्पेट करोगे या नीचे से आप थर्ड को पल्पेट करोगे, फोर्थ को पल्पेट करोगे. तो आप जैसे जैसे इन रिब्स को फील करते जाओगे तो आप इनकी काउंटिंग करते जाओगे कि जो पहले फील होगी वो थर्ड रिब होगी, फिर आगे फोर्थ एंड फिफ्थ एंड सो ऑन. तो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आपको रिब्स फील होनी चाहिए. अब दिस काउंटिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन फॉर क्लिनिशियन.
मम्मी पल्पेशन के लिए सेकंड रिब पहले पल्पेट हो सकती है, फर्स्ट नहीं ना हो सकती?
नहीं बेटा, आपको manubriosternal joint पे जो रिब पल्पेट होगी वो सेकंड कोस्टल कार्टिलेज होगा. आपको फर्स्ट फील नहीं होती और सेकंड से ही आप